Sunny Leone is back with yet another amazing hangout spot in Delhi, and this one is unlike anything the city has ever seen. We are at Potions, Delhi's first ever cocktail theatre launched by Sunny Leone, and this is not just about drinks, it's about drama, storytelling and mood. So let's explore together. Set against the stunning backdrop of the Qutub Minar, Potions is designed for those slow, indulgent evenings where time doesn't rush you. The seating is comfortable, perfect for long conversations, date nights, or just soaking in the view with a well-crafted drink in hand. Here, cocktails are performances. Every drink is based around love and comes with a narrative. There's smoke, fire, unexpected elements, and a whole lot of theatrics.
This cocktail name is Sexual Tension, and we're using tequila, Reposado and Bianco, and fresh strawberry, 67% dark chocolate.
So it's a little chocolatey.
This cocktail name is Die For You. Cheers.
Now this one's a little fruity. As you can see from the color itself, I feel like this drink is very feminine, very light.
This cocktail name is Junoon, and we're using dark rum and white rum, tamarind water, spiced syrup.
Oh my god, I can feel that smoky flavor in the drink. This is for somebody who likes their drink strong.
This cocktail name is Wish You Were Here, Gin Milk Clarified Cocktail.
This one's on a little sweeter side, so it's giving a little tropical vibe with the pineapple and the florals. The food menu perfectly complements the cocktails.
सनी मैम का फिर जैसे एग्जांपल हमने जो GI टैग का उनका सजेशन था, GI टैग यूज़ करने के लिए वो हमने किया है. मेन था टोफू, वेजिटेरियन डिशेज एंड स्पाइसेस. थोड़ा ट्राइवल करने का था, इंडिया का थोड़ा दिखाने का, वो चीज़ हमने यूज़ किया है मेन्यू में. एंड बेसिकली द फोकस इज़ द तंदूर एंड ग्रिल्स. मैं आपको खिलाने वाला हूँ सैफरन चिकन सीख कबाब. उसमें हम आपका सैफरन यूज़ कर रहे हैं, नंदरू चिप्स के साथ बना रहे हैं, और रोज़ लच्छा पराठा.
The sauce is so creamy. This is lotus root. This is very crispy. So it's adding that nice texture to the soft kebab. Now let me try it with the cute paratha.
घी रोस्ट अला प्लांचा.
I like how this is served with some curry leaves, some egg, and then Malabar paratha. I could feel the very light flavor of coconut and curry leaf. Kizoma, sesame tofu.
Sesame from Nagaland, and there's one state of Nagaland, Kizuma. We are using ginger, black pepper from Kerala.
Okay, ooh, this is so soft. The sauce on top, I don't know what it's made of, but khatta meetha hai. And obviously the tofu is very soft, like it's literally melting inside my mouth. Now let's try with, this is some crunchy seeds. I think this is sesame seeds. Let's try with it. And then there's some onion. There's some edible flour as well, so we're going to put everything in this bite. And then here we go. Now moving on to the healthier side. So obviously it's a Bollywood stars bar, so healthy, health conscious khana to rakhna banta hai na. So this is a vegetarian seekh kebab, mandua seekh kebab, which is ragi, and it's topped with बुरांस की चटनी. बुरांच which is the national flower of Uttarakhand. उसका चटनी है ऊपर, and then it's served with this ragi roti. It's really soft. Oh, I could smell the buranch ka flour. Taste wise, I think it's a little sweet, little tangy. If you're looking for a sundowner spot that's visually appealing, creatively different and perfect for a relaxed evening, then Portions at One Ambavata Mehroli should definitely be on your list. That's all for this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to Times Foodie for more exclusive videos like this one. Bye!